Hey Z-Fam, look at this. It is raining once again, and I have not seen rain this intense since Hurricane Hillary. Ah, but I love it. Love it so much. Whoa. I'm putting my hand out in it, and it's coming down. I love feeling the rain on my hand. It's so nice. It's not too intense. The most intense rain that I remember feeling, and I remember vlogging it too, was when I was at CIP, and it was like a torrential downpour. Like the rain was like so intense. It was like stepping into a shower. So yeah, that's the most intense rain that I was in. But this one comes in third place. Second place is Hurricane Hillary. First place was that one time I was at CIP. But yeah, it's something really cool. My windows are actually all fogged up because oh, and it's a good thing I have my windows closed because the wind's blowing in a little bit. And last night I had my windows open because I like to sleep with my windows open. But I closed them prior to the rain starting, so I'm glad I did that because I had water all over the windowsills and possibly even my floors. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Until next time, this is Zach, out.